A biker's smile is hidden under the helmet, but it's always there. It's the smile that comes from wind on your face, from the hum of the engine, from being exactly where you want to be. No filters, no pretense. Just you, the bike, and the open road. That smile isn't about comfort or luxury. It's about freedom. The kind that only comes when you break from routine and ride toward the unknown. In 2026, let Vietnam's winding roads and endless horizons bring out that hidden smile again. Because behind every helmet is a story, and yours is waiting to be written.
You okay?